Okay. You wave to the camera? Alright.
Very soothing.
Hopefully this goes off, otherwise this video isn't going to be that entertaining to watch. Okay, and then... Okay. 5,
Let Indy push it.
4, 3, 2, 1. Press the button. Press the button. And look at the rocket. Woo!
Where is it? Where is it?
It's right there.
Coming down.
Yeah!
Look up, Indy, look up. Here it comes. Woo! Here it comes. Good job, Indy. Here it comes.
Go get a recovery crew. Keep rolling.
Garbage. You got the garbage. It's flying in the sky.
Oh, that's entertaining. I don't know why. It's just good fun. Oh, here goes your wadding.
It makes you smile. There you go. Are you still filming?
Yep, still filming.
That's pretty good, hey?
Not
much of a
bad.
damage, a little bit of smoke. Smells like, oof. Smells pretty bad. But hey, didn't do it for the smell. Not here for the fresh air. Okay. That's it.